Hi, this is Venkat Sai Krishna Kumar. Welcome to Sesta Fusion Foods and Beverages. In this video, I would like to discuss about herbal combination for Achlorhydria. This is a condition which stomach loses its ability to produce the acids which helps in digestion. This may sound like simple digestive issue, but these acids play an important role in human health issue. These acids are required for proper protein digestion, activation of pepsin, absorption of nutrients such as vitamin B12, iron and zinc, along with the protection against harmful microorganisms entering through food. The current research on Achlorhydria focuses on two primary therapeutic goals. The first is to stimulate the parietal cells of the stomach to improve acid secretion wherever functional capacity remains. The second is to identify and address causes such as Helicobacter pylori infection and gastric mucosal atrophy. A research-supported herbal combination for this condition is junction root. This contains compounds such as gentiopicroside and amarogentin. These bitter principles stimulate TAS2R receptors and helps trigger the cephalic phase of digestion, encouraging the production of gastric acid and pepsinogen. Other is ginger, which has gingerols and chagols, thus supports gastric secretion through vagal stimulation and enhancement of digestive activity. Ginger also promotes gastric motility and helps prevent food stagnation and fermentation within the stomach. Piper nigrum or black pepper contains piperin, which is recognized as bioenhancer. This provides the absorption of accompanied herbs and supports digestive stimulation by promoting what is traditionally described as digestive fire. Artichoke extract, rich in cynarin, supports bile flow and contribute to overall digestive juice production. This becomes very much important when hydrochloric acid in the stomach is reduced or absent. Broccoli sprout extract provides sulforaphane, a compound that has shown significant activity against Helicobacter pylori, one of the important contributors to chronic gastritis, mucosal damage, and progression towards Achlorhydria. For any health problem, you should always consult a doctor first. This video is only for educational purpose.